Help keep dust and debris from entering your vehicle's cabin with the Lexus Genuine Cabin Air Filter. Over time, or if you drive in heavy traffic and dusty environments, cabin air filters become clogged, reducing airflow from the air conditioner and heater. When that happens, it's time to replace it with a Lexus Genuine Cabin Air Filter. Made with high-quality fibers and advanced technology, these filters are available in two types: the standard that traps particles and contaminants, and the charcoal filter, which contains an extra layer of activated carbon that helps remove unpleasant odors. Your engine air filter also plays an important role. This filter helps prevent harmful particles from entering your engine, which could cause damage. When clogged, it affects engine performance, reduces fuel economy, and increases emissions. Ensure your engine air filter is removed and inspected every 6 months or 8,000 kilometers and replace it as needed. Thank you for taking an inside look at your Lexus.